Hello crafty friends, it's time for another die cut December 2025 video and another type of die picked by the random number generator. So let's press the button. 21 clips. Interesting, right. So here are all my clip dies. I've got paper clips and a variety of different bulldog clips. These little circles are decorative toppers for the bulldog clip things. So I'm going to have a think about a design I can make with these clips. Right, I'm thinking paper clips, round-ended paper clips. So that's these 5 clips here. And I'm going to cut them from this rose gold and copper matte cardstock, because I've got an idea for a bit of a paper clip chain design. Right, I've also used this really big one as well. But I'm thinking somehow daisy chaining these together and having them kind of drape themselves across the front of a card. So this is just a card panel which I'll cut down. I think the best way to glue these down will be with white glue, high-tack white glue, and I'll dip them in and then place it where I want it on the card. But before it sticks completely, I will thread on the next clip. And I'm not bothered about getting glue on the foil because I can always wipe it off with a baby wipe. I will use some sticker release paper, non-stick paper, to press things down though. So I'm alternating the copper and rose gold. It's a very subtle difference, but I like it. And I've got a clean baby wipe and I can just wipe over and get any glue off the foil. And I'll snip off the overhanging bits and just keep adding chains of paper clips, I think. I'm not sure about these ones with the hearts and crowns on, so I'm going to snip off those and just use them as regular paper clips. I think I can get away with that. So I'm using some of the overhanging bits that I snipped off to fill in some gaps. I've also cut some extras to add into the gappy areas. Right, I think I'm happy with that. Some of the paper clips are linked, some aren't, and that's okay. I'm just getting the glue off any that I can see with glue on. Now I'm going to chop this down to make a panel to go on the front of a card, and I want a border all the way around the outside. So I've done that now. I didn't want to use a die to cut out my panel because running it through my die cutting machine would squish all my paper clips down, and I want them to be pretty 3D really. I do want to mount this on something to give it a border or a mat. And I'm thinking craft colour. I think it will go nicely with the copper and the rose gold. So for my sentiment, I'm thinking of this grungy label stamp that says thank you. So this could be a thank you card for someone in which you put a voucher to their favourite stationery store. That way the paper clips would make sense. I've stamped that 4 times for 2 reasons. Firstly, if I mess it up when I cut it out, I've got some backups. And secondly, if I don't mess it up when I cut it out, I can put the spares in my box of backgrounds and bits and they'll be ready to go the next time I want to use this stamp. So I'm actually wondering about sticking this on some more craft to tie it into the little border around the outside and trim it out. Yep, I think that works. And I'm thinking of popping it in the middle there. I'm going to put some tape on the back of this, but I'm also going to add some liquid glue just because it's going over, actually, yes, just because it's going over some paper clips and things. I want it to have as much chance to stick as possible. I was thinking I could have stamped that in a brown, but I think it would have got lost. But now I want a little bit more black on there to make the black sentiment make sense. I'm going to cover the sentiment up because I'm going to do some spattering. Don't want to go too crazy. Let's take that off and see what it looks like. Yep, I'm happy with that. Right, there you go. One card made with paperclip dies. I hope you like the card. I hope you've enjoyed the video and it's given you a couple of ideas, and I hope you'll join me tomorrow for another day of Die Cut December 2025. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.